Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare. So in this video, we will talk about utility bar inside the new drawing system. So let's go to the tutorial.
Today we're going to talk about the utility bar, the bottom bar of Drawing 3.0. In the previous tutorial, we covered areas and parts, which are located on the left side of the utility bar. If you haven't watched that one yet, make sure to click the card above to check it out. Now, let's focus on the right side of the utility bar. First, we have the slab counter. The drawing automatically estimates how many slabs are needed based on your project size and the slab measurements you set before in settings. In my case, it calculated 1 slab, but I used 4, so the one shows in red. Next to the slab counter, there's a menu of toggles. The first one hides the vertices or splits of your drawing. You can still manipulate them, but they won't be visible unless you turn this option back on. The next toggle controls the dimensions, letting you hide or show all the measurements in your project. Then we have the border letters toggle, but note that it won't hide the text you see here. When the dimensions toggle is active, you'll notice a small letter next to each measurement. If you disable this toggle, those letters will disappear. After that, we have the toggle that hides the material texture on your slabs, and another one that hides the textures of the cutouts. Finally, this last toggle lets you show or hide the legend that appears on the bottom left corner of your drawing. In total project measurements, you can see the project total, the total by area, and the total by part. If you have any questions about measurements, you can click the info icon to get more details. Next to it, you'll find the zoom in and zoom out buttons, and the map, which allows you to expand your view of the drawing or hide it if you prefer a cleaner workspace. And that's it, folks. See you in the next tutorial.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside slabware.com and start a free trial right now.